If you've not seen this palette, you're gonna have to go look up Nomad. I tell you that every single time. Such a great movie. So I really love like all, just like this whole entire thing, the vintageness, the train, the snowy, but like everything is captured so beautifully. I want to recreate that look and see how well that I can do. I will have to say I think this is going to be one of my most challenging looks I've ever done, because I've like done face artwork, but that's kind of easy. When it comes to eyeshadow artwork, like with shadows doing art, that's a whole nother thing. So that little thing down below that said image search to figure out who the artist is. So if you know who the artist is, please tag her or give me her username so that way I can credit her. This is going to be me trying my best to recreate what I think this would be. Where she mapped out the cut crease, she also has like a deeper blue kind of connecting that. We're gonna have to figure something out. I'm gonna do what I think might work with Maya. For the deeper blue, we took Frozen Sea, and then this one for the lighter blue, I'm gonna take Desert of Ice, and then I'm just gonna like pack it on there or like pat it on there instead of like trying to blend out anything right this minute, because I feel like everything will blend out in the end. So we're gonna go with the North Pole and then go on top of that other blue. They're like slightly above it with Snowy Mountain, and then go like right here to keep everything the way that she has it. So take the Kat Von D concealer. That's the brightest concealer I have, and then like the Kat Von D brush and everything too. And then just put it on the tip of the brush and then try to do my best with the cut crease. I'm gonna get some micellar water. Okay, anyways, then you just put it on the cloth. Cocoa color. I'll just take a flat brush and then kind of like pack it on there. Take the North Pole again, which was the really pretty blue color. We're going to take the flat brush and we're going to coat on both sides. We're just going to do the best that we can, because I have never done this before. Okay, now we're going in with Desert of the Ice, and that's just that second blue color. Frozen Sea, which is the navy blue color. Snowy Mountain, we're just going to take that, and then we'll take that on a flat brush and then just kind of like just pat it right there. But so this is what it looks like so far away. It's so silly but so pretty. It's just one from Amazon that you can get for 20 bucks, and it comes with some brushes. And then we're gonna try to map out the liner portion that she has on this, and then we're just gonna do the best we can, because at this point I'm a little afraid, but I just gotta try. So okay, so now we're just gonna fill it in with the brown. What we're gonna do is little head first. This is the most intrigued look I have ever done. It's not horrible. Definitely not exactly like hers, which is fine. Everyone has their own art. But anyways, we're gonna try to do the snowflakes. So I'm gonna try to start on this side, this line, and then that one. Oh my god. Okay, let me zoom you in. Hello? I think I do like this side better, but because it's really hard for me to draw right to left. LA Colors, and then this one is in shade Wonder, like this. So I think they are very, very pretty. And over here, I'm actually gonna take the Mayron palette and then go with this color, and then just see where that takes me. That's not okay. let me do that on both of them. Okay, I have to say this is one of my craziest looks I've ever done. It is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, I'm very impressed with myself. I'm gonna say, because I just do face stuff and not really eye looks. Like I do a lot of graphic art stuff or whatever, like liners. But I'm thinking I should add some rhinestones in here somewhere. So that is me adding in the rhinestones and then the little beads, like the little pearls and more rhinestones and more pearls. So that is so cool. Absolutely love the look. I think it turned out very pretty. So